Hey everyone, it's Professional Health, and let's talk about achieving that healthy glow inside and out. We're diving deep into the world of natural skin boosters and healthy habits. Think of your body like a well-oiled machine. To look and feel your best, you need the right fuel. We're not just talking about any fuel, but the kind that nourishes your cells and gives your skin that radiant glow. So if you're ready to ditch the expensive creams and complicated routines, stick around. I'm about to share some incredibly simple, natural ways to boost your skin and health, all while enjoying delicious everyday foods. Let's get started. First up, we have a true hydration hero, the cucumber. We all know cucumbers are about 96% water, making them incredibly hydrating. But did you know they're also packed with antioxidants? These antioxidants fight off those pesky free radicals that can damage your skin and lead to premature aging. Plus, cucumbers have this amazing ability to reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes. Slice them up for a refreshing snack, add them to your water for a flavor boost, or even apply them topically to your skin. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Remember, good health and glowing skin start from within, and staying hydrated is key. So grab a cucumber and let's keep moving. Next, let's talk about watermelon, the ultimate summer treat that's not just delicious but incredibly beneficial for your skin. Watermelon is bursting with vitamins A and C, both essential for healthy skin. Vitamin A helps with cell turnover, giving you that youthful glow, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and a vital component of collagen production. And let's not forget about watermelon's high water content, which keeps you hydrated and contributes to that plump, supple skin we all crave. So, enjoy a generous slice of watermelon guilt-free, knowing you're giving your skin a delicious dose of nutrients. Now, who doesn't love a juicy orange? They're not just a tasty snack, they're also packed with vitamin C, a superstar nutrient for your skin. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your skin together, keeping it from sagging and wrinkling. Plus, oranges provide a good amount of hydration, contributing to that overall healthy glow. So next time you're craving something sweet and tangy, reach for an orange. It's a simple and delicious way to boost your vitamin C intake and keep your skin looking its best. Finally, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, the unsung heroes of skin and overall health. You can find these healthy fats in foods like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds. Omega-3s work their magic from the inside out, reducing inflammation throughout the body, including your skin. This can help calm conditions like acne and eczema, leaving your skin looking clear and radiant. But the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s are also essential for heart health, brain function, and even mood regulation. They're truly a powerhouse nutrient that should be a part of everyone's diet. So, make sure to include omega-3 rich foods in your meals regularly. Your skin, body, and mind will thank you. That's it for today's video on boosting your skin and health naturally. I hope you found these tips helpful and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and nourishing your body with these natural foods is a fantastic way to achieve that healthy glow. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos on skincare, nutrition, and healthy living. And be sure to share your favorite food for glowing skin in the comments below.